Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just jumping straight to the video and showing you the product that I use. So the product that I'll be using today is the Full Coverage 3-in-1 Foundation and Concealer by Kiko Milano. So we're gonna be using our brush, mascara brush. So these are the 3 brushes that we'll be using today. So it's the 2 blending brush and 1 flat brush. So we're gonna brush our hairs, our brow hairs. We're gonna make sure it's all organized and fine. So we're gonna be using this powder. If you have an oily skin, this method is really good for you. It helps your brow stay matte. So we're gonna be using this pencil. It's just €1, so it's not very expensive. So you wanna use it and draw the outline following the shape of your brows. Take your time, don't rush. Take your time, don't rush. Even if you make a mistake, we can always correct it with your foundation or your concealer, whichever one you feel the need to use. So after you're done with that, you want to go to the other side and do the same thing. After you're done outlining it, you want to just go ahead and fill it. Fill your brows, baby. Fill it as you want. I always like it light, so I go for, because I think it makes it look very natural. But if you like it thick, go for it, darling. Do what makes you happy. Do you. Do you, babe. So you want to go the other side and fill it as well. Go in with the brush and blend the outer corners of your brows to make it look very natural. See how it's looking already? Yes, darling. Go for it. So to highlight my brows, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. The reason why I like using foundation for my brows is as a learner, it's very good because when you're blending, it's gonna make it a lot easier for you to blend effortlessly without struggling. So I would, as a learner, I would advise you to go with your foundation, to be honest with you. So you're gonna go ahead and dip at the Red Sea. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in with my flat blending brush. You're gonna see what I mean. Like, you see how it's blending it? Like effortlessly, like no problem with the blending because you've just used your foundation. So it's like the same color. Just blends so well. It makes the work easy, to be honest with you. Blend it and blend it and blend it, darling. So just continue to blend until you feel like it's okay. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's like up close. You see how beautiful and natural it looks? Yes, that's what you get. Thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, comment. Until next time, bye bye. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.